I'm Christy St. Clair, and welcome to Toxin Free Living. If you said, I'm just so tired, more times than you can count, this week's video is for you. Not just physically tired, bone tired, mentally drained, running on fumes. Let's talk about why and how to restore energy the right way. Chronic fatigue isn't a character flaw, it's not lack of discipline, it's a signal. Your body is communicating that something needs support, not more caffeine, not more willpower. Support. Midlife fatigue is rarely one thing. Blood sugar swings, perimenopause and menopause shifts, cortisol dysregulation, sleep disruption, mineral depletion, chronic low grade inflammation. Energy is cellular. If the cells struggle, you feel it. If you feel wired at night but exhausted in the morning, cortisol may be dysregulated. Chronic stress keeps your nervous system on high alert. Eventually, it crashes. We don't fix burnout by pushing harder. We restore rhythm. Every energy spike followed by a crash drains your system. If breakfast is coffee and carbs, if you skip meals, if cravings rule your day, your body never stabilizes. Balanced protein, fiber, and metabolic support change everything. Energy happens inside your cells in structures called mitochondria. When inflammation is high or nutrients are low, mitochondria struggle. And that's when you feel that heavy, dragging fatigue that sleep doesn't fix. We have to nourish at the cellular level. Metapower Advantage supports metabolic and cellular health. Metapower Assist helps stabilize blood sugar and gut health, both tied directly to energy. PB Restore supports the microbiome, which influences inflammation and mood. And Mito2 Max supports cellular energy production. Adaptive helps regulate the stress response. This is intelligent energy support, not stimulants. Energy restoration is rhythm based. Hydrate first thing. Eat protein within an hour of waking. Move your body midday, even 10 minutes. At night, support relaxation, magnesium, lower light, calm rituals. Energy rebuilds when stress lowers. Burnout isn't only physical, it's years of overgiving, overthinking, putting yourself last. Your nervous system needs safety to restore energy. Rest is productive, slower is strategic. If you've normalized exhaustion, it doesn't have to stay that way. When blood sugar stabilizes, when cortisol regulates, and when cells are nourished, energy returns naturally, not hyped up and not forced, sustainable. If you're ready to stop running on empty, this is your next step. Level 1 provides foundational metabolic and stress support, and Level 2 offers comprehensive cellular and adrenal restoration. Choose the level that feels aligned for you. After your order is placed, I'll personally reach out to schedule a phone, video, or Zoom consultation so we can talk through your goals and I can guide you step by step on exactly how to use everything. You don't need more caffeine, you need strategic support, and I'll walk you through it. And see you next week.